sabi ng business coach ko, John, you have to simplify to multiply. Because sometimes we start to think, oh, I'm gonna make 10 ebooks. Then I'm gonna make 10 websites. So I'm gonna make 10 times more. Ain't gonna happen. I've been there. Nakwento ko na yata sa inyo, right? History ko when I started. I've been into different market. I've been different niches, different ethical bribe, different sales letter, different ebooks. But it's like the more you run, the less you go further. I know it's kind of strange in the beginning. In the beginning, when I have this kind of lifestyle, you know what? I feel guilty. Can you guys make a guess why? Sa tingin po ninyo, when I became Chillyonaryo, sa tingin po ninyo why there's a guilty feeling? When you have more time and you have a little more money. Why? Because I work less and yet I make more. Because for a very long time, even up to this day, yun po ang turo sa atin eh. Because yung sa employment world, ano employment world? You want to make more money, you gotta work longer. You want to make more money, o sige, mag-overtime ka. Or kung nasa manufacturing ka, let's say, trabaho mo na lang is taga-package. Okay, you want to make more money, o sige, imbis na 100 a day yung papackage mo, gawin mo 120, I'm gonna give you more. Those things comes from industrial age and agriculture age. Based on physical, based on strength, based on time and effort. We are not in a time and effort economy, my friend. Wala na po tayo sa time and effort. We get paid with our creativity, with our mind. Ito na po ang bayaran. Hindi na po palakasan. That is the big difference. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.